my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one. I know I keep changing up my background, but it's just really dependent on my mood. I'm like a fairy in that way. So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to our channel, and join this Mammy Tapping support group. I am here with a new something today. Okay, Zury Sis came out with this ponytail unit, ILIT, okay, and I have her in the color number 1. She's currently going for about under $35 on most hair sites, okay. Now, I'm super excited about this. I saw the Queen. I know I'm making so much noise. Y'all will get over it. I saw the Queen Jessica actually do a review on this. And I was kind of like, I'm down for this situation. I'm pretty down for her. So, this is her fresh out the pack. Okay. Let's get a look in this cap construction. She has 2 combs in the front. Don't judge my nails. 1 comb in the back. Adjustable straps Wakanda forever. Okay. This unit looks really pretty. Really pretty. And the hair feels fantastic. Look at that. It's like a natural texture. I'm just going to throw her on so we can get an idea what she's looking like. And then we'll chop her lace. Are y'all ready? Because I'm not ready. One of the things I love that Zury Hollywood is doing right now are these like bang Velcro situation things. So this has one. Oh, here it is. I got it. Look at this. Obsessed. Okay, so you don't get to see the rubber band, which I'm sure you can see right now. It comes with 1 little itty bitty comb, a little wrap ponytail. Y'all know, first of all, y'all know the sensational ponytail that I can't stand. But we're just gonna wrap her right on. Okay, so what I found that I love most about this unit is that it has this lace parting as opposed to a lace frontal. I just think as technology is growing, I'm moving further and further away from lace frontals and all the hard work, not the hard work, but all of the work, period, that it takes to maintain them. So let's get her on. Okay. So this is her fresh out the pizzazz. I've done nothing to her. Okay. Now, mother got I got a teeny tiny head now, so I ain't gonna lie. This is making it look very bang-alicious. So, let me just go in. So, we cannot leave these like this. Now, I think I'm going to tighten it up. I did just want to give you guys a look at what she looked like, you know, from the front. In the back. Okay. We definitely got to lighten up these baby bangs, though. That's a must. Y'all know I hate to cut them. I'm just about done. Let's talk about the wig. I'm going to go through and tighten this ponytail up, but we'll take it out, look at it down, and then I'll throw it back in the ponytail because I prefer it that way because it's so much hair. But I'm obsessed. Okay? The cap construction is perfect. Don't pay attention to this part. The cap construction is perfect. She's super snug. She's laying flat like I like. I cannot get enough. Zury Sis outdid themselves with this one. I'm going to go through. I'm going to get another one because they had like 3 different styles and I'm grabbing them. Okay? I'm feeling it. I don't know what you guys think. Let me take her down. Yeah, because I want to go through and tighten this baby right on up. Okay. So again, this is a lot. Good night, Zury Sis. That was a moment of silence for this fucking wig. Okay? Y'all. Did you... This hair feels so beautiful. Sorry, sis. I'm so proud. Sis! I am so proud. First of all, I feel like I look like Ananda. Tell me where you know Ananda from. And did I age myself? You know, the darker version. Because she like right there in that middle, like, you know, Trini girl, you know. Olivey, brownie, like. The point is, I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed with this hair. I'm so obsessed. Look at what she looked like out of the pony. She tangles a bit, but that's because I think the texture of the hair is kind of like, she tangles a bit. I don't know what the texture of this hair is, but it feels so nice at the top. And it feels nice and soft at the bottom, but I think she's meant to be in a ponytail. Or I'm going to do one of these and hit them with the braids to the... Zury Sis. We get it. We get it, Zury Sis. You enjoyed this review just as much as I enjoyed doing it. I am absolutely positively recommending this unit. It's not even up for debate. This unit is fire, like the long way. Okay, like she's a must. We do not deserve her. So shout out to Zury Sis for giving us something to play with, honey. I am really feeling this one. Again, she's going for just under $35. I think she is such a motherfucking vibe. I really enjoyed her down. The hair texture feels so nice. Let me tell y'all, I love any reason to look like Diana Ross. If you have not already, bust down, subscribe to our channel, like, comment, come on back, hang out with your girl, and I'll see you beautiful motherfuckers